Hello, dear friend. Today, I want to share with you a roadmap to release your own inner power, to unlock the full force of your masculinity, and to achieve greatness in every aspect of your life. The path to unlocking your full potential is not always easy, but with the right habits and mindset, you can conquer any obstacle and reach new heights. So buckle up, get ready to be inspired, and let's take a journey together to unlock the power of your masculinity. Habits are the building blocks of our lives, shaping who we are and what we become. And today, I want to share with you 7 habits that have the power to increase your masculine energy and help you unleash your full potential. Habit number 1. Exercise regularly. As a powerful tool for building strength, confidence, and resilience, exercise is one of the most important skills you can acquire. Regular physical activity can boost your mood and help you feel more relaxed. It also releases endorphins, which are good for your health and well-being. It can also boost your self-esteem and help you feel more in control of your body and your life. As an example, a man who takes up weightlifting in order to increase his physical strength and to increase his self-confidence is embracing this habit of fitness. Habit number 2. Practice mindfulness and meditation. By practicing mindfulness and meditation, you will be able to develop greater self-awareness and focus. You will be able to reduce stress and increase your ability to handle difficult situations more gracefully and calmly if you take a few moments each day to quiet your mind and focus on the present moment. As an example to illustrate this habit is a man who begins a daily mindfulness practice in order to decrease stress and improve focus. Habit number 3. Cultivate a growth mindset. There is a belief that you can grow and develop no matter what circumstance you are in. This mindset can help you overcome obstacles and challenges and can help you become more resilient and determined. The person who cultivates a growth mindset, for example, will be able to see a job loss as a chance to improve his skills and find a new job. Habit number 4. Take calculated risks. It may seem scary, but taking risks can be one of the key components of personal development. In order to grow as a person, you must step outside your comfort zone in order to gain confidence, resilience, and a sense of adventure. When you start your own business after years of working for someone else, you are taking a calculated risk by starting your own business. Habit number 5. Build strong relationships. Building strong relationships with your family, friends, and romantic partners is an essential component of a fulfilling life. Building strong relationships provides a support network, boosts your self-esteem, and helps you grow and develop. As an example, a man who invests a lot of time and energy into building a strong relationship with his family, friends, and romantic partner is building one that will last. Habit number 6. Set clear goals. In order to gain a sense of purpose, direction, and focus, you need to set clear, achievable goals. Setting goals and working towards them with discipline and persistence can help you build motivation, self-esteem, and self-worth. As an example, a man who sets a goal for running a marathon and trains consistently would be deemed to be setting clear goals. Habit number 7. Align your values and purpose. In order to feel motivated and fulfilled, you need to align your values and purpose. By investing in activities such as hobbies, volunteering, or career advancement, you will be able to find meaning and fulfillment. It could be said that a person who pursues his passion for photography and starts a successful photography business is aligned with his values and purpose. A life lesson from this video. There is a valuable lesson to be learned from the 7 habits to boost your masculine energy, which is that growth and fulfillment are not something we are handed over to us, but rather they require hard work and dedication on our part. If you adopt these habits, not only are you taking control of your life, but you are also working towards your goals actively, building resilience, and increasing your self-esteem at the same time. By consistently challenging yourself and pushing outside your comfort zone, you can unlock your full potential and achieve greatness in all areas of your life. This is a reminder that the life you want is within your reach, and that with the right habits and mindset, you have the power to make it a reality. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the close of this discussion on the 7 habits to increase your masculine energy, I want to leave you with one final thought. The future belongs to those who take action. When you embrace the habits listed above, you are taking steps toward unlocking your full potential and living the life you truly desire. You have the power to make positive changes in your life, to overcome obstacles, and to achieve great success. So I challenge you to take action, to pursue your dreams with passion and purpose, and to never give up on the journey towards unlocking your full potential. In conclusion, even after learning these powerful habits to increase your masculine energy, there may still be challenges in your path. But do not despair, for the solution to your problem lies within reach. Watch this video to access the information you need to overcome any obstacle and achieve the results you want.